Welcome to continuing coverage here for HP Discover. We're going to be talking with the folks from HP Helion OpenStack, and so I'd like to introduce Gary Andreessen here on the far left, and Jay Jamison. There is probably no more exciting area in technology than cloud computing, and a lot of that excitement has been surrounded by HP's rebranding of their cloud offering. What was behind that, and what makes HP Helion OpenStack so important?
Well, it's a really interesting question. I mean, it is true our customers are super interested in getting a more elastic, more responsive set of IT infrastructure and development capabilities for their organizations to serve their customers better, to respond to business needs, more quickly. And so for HP, we have a unique and important role to play as being a leading partner and vendor of choice for our customers in terms of helping them on their cloud journey. And so for us, it was really important to galvanize, if you will, HP's entire muscle and skill set and portfolio of cloud into a cogent and unified set of messages and products and deliverables. So when we talk about HP Helion, we really are talking a fully composable stack and portfolio of everything from converged systems under our brand HP Cloud System, all the way through a set of software built on open standards, our HP Helion OpenStack, our HP Helion development platform, and so on. And then on top of that, we have a whole very aligned and expert services in our technology, and in delivering cloud solutions to customers. So with that, we give customers a great range of options and flexibility to choose the options that best suit their needs as they look to go to the cloud with HP.
Mm-hmm. Well, now I understand there's also a community edition. What are the distinguishing features, Gary, between the community edition and the enterprise edition?
Well, the biggest thing is community is really based on what we call top of trunk. So we want to deliver a distribution to our customers where they're actually leveraging the current state of what OpenStack is today. That turnaround is like every 6 weeks. That's pretty much where the community stays to it, and that's what we're delivering. I can use it for proof of concept, testing, maybe a small scale production environment. But at the end of the day, it's really for that top of trunk user, somebody who's really going to be on the bleeding edge. When you get into the commercial edition, we're really focusing on enterprise style customers where they want to see more than just, I want to be top of trunk because I can't turn around that fast for one, but I also want something I can rely on. So an enterprise customer, they want something I can go to for patches. I know the patch is going to come and they're going to be tested. If I put services out there, I want them to be reliable. So commercial really brings that to the table. We've been able to leverage some of the things we've done with Cloud System, our prior product in this space. And we've also learned quite a bit from our public cloud. So HP Cloud, which is based on OpenStack, we've been running for about 3 years, and we've taken a lot of best practices and skills we've learned there to bring into this commercial product and be able to show that to a customer and deliver it to that customer at the end of the day, really what you consider an enterprise grade product.
So what are if you had to pick one driving benefit, the one that delivers the most reward to a customer, what do you think that would be?
You mean for the HP Helion portfolio lineup? I think it really is about taking the next step in efficiency in your data center, in your IT, and your development platform. And that's across the whole gamut. Gary's talking, of course, about a new product that we're bringing to market, the HP Helion OpenStack, but we also are building on a long-term foundation that's very strong. We have HP Cloud System in the market today, which is a leading product for customers looking to deploy and build private clouds in their environments. And it is solving their needs today. And with the HP Helion OpenStack, we see the starts of a new emerging market for where the cloud's going, and we're starting to deploy that technology to give customers a clear sense of where we see the industry going. But the point in all that is that HP is standing behind customers and helping them succeed in making their IT and their development capabilities more responsive, more flexible, and more agile in to respond to the needs that businesses have today. Because, as you know, the speed of business is getting faster. It's not getting shorter. The amount of data you have to deal with is getting higher. The amount of security concerns all getting more acute. And what HP is doing by getting after, by pulling the Helion brand together is really about, if there was one thing, it's really about providing customers that responsiveness that they need in the new style of IT.
It sounds like it's kind of the best of both worlds, in that you're getting the enthusiasm and the advancements that may come out of the community at large. You can't afford to risk your enterprise on that. You need to have a structured way of approaching it, and HP is really providing the backing and assurance, or the depth, I guess you might say, to make sure that it executes properly. Yeah,
it's really important to think about having the steak and the sizzle. I mean, it's wonderful to be talking about OpenStack, and when everybody's really excited about it, the community is very vibrant. There's a lot of commitments going on, and with the HP Helion OpenStack Community Edition, we are setting our development up to be able to stay very close to trunk, very sort of true to open source, and moving very quickly. At the same time, in having an HP cloud system, an HP Helion OpenStack, a commercial grade edition, we acknowledge and understand really well that enterprise customers are, when they commit, they're betting their business on our products, and they need to know that HP is standing fully behind it, that we're filling out the products and technologies across cloud system and HP Helion OpenStack to make it something that's bulletproof and something they can depend on. And then in addition, we have the services, the support, the ecosystem that's just so critical when you're going from the sizzle to the steak and the substance that's required for an enterprise infrastructure in today's world.
Right. Are there you were about to say?
I was going to say, enterprise is, a standard enterprise customer today. Used to think, I've been in the business for a while, if they were sitting on some type of hardware today, that might be virtualization. But they've got a stake in what they already have in place. So they want somebody that can maybe deliver that service that looks cloud ready, so I can go through some type of portal, service catalog type piece, but still I want to look what's for the future. So that's something HP really brings to the table. We can help you with what you have currently, help you maybe migrate what you have to what the new type of cloud service is.
Right.
But help you look right now at what's coming down the road, and that's usually like scalability, new cloud apps. We kind of talked a little bit about mobile apps before, how that's taking off. But they got to look at that next future, but they've got to kind of keep control of what they have, and I think that's one of the big benefits of what HP can bring today.
Excellent. Where can people go to learn more about Helion OpenStack and how their needs might be met?
So today, you go to hp.com/go Helion, and that'll put you on our landing page, and you'll be able to get as much information as you can probably take on what we're doing. And all this is covered, so you'll be able to see things like services, community edition, cloud system, kind of drive where your interests are and who you might be able to contact for more information.
Excellent. Well, thanks to both of you gentlemen for joining us here at this first day of HP Discover, and thanks to you folks for joining us as well on our continuing coverage.
Thanks so much.
And thanks for the invitation.
Thanks a lot.
Live streaming of SDR news coverage at HP Discover has been made possible by Intel Corporation. Check out Intel OpenPort IT, where you can connect with your peers at Intel on industry topics, best practices, strategies, and more. And by Microsoft, where HP and Microsoft are working together, combining their respective strengths to deliver innovative technologies to help advance your business.